Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with entry number 17 for my Red Birthday Challenge giveaway, which ends January 31st. Oops, try not to cut anything up. And my scissors are just like not being able to cut. And this is coming from Noelle. So let's see what she has sent. I see some goodies in here. Alrighty. Oh, okay. I see several things in here. So let's see. First, let's check out this card. It says, "It's your day." And you see that big shoe right there. Hey, who doesn't love a good stiletto? Make your feet look gorgeous. And she's got some embossing in the background here. It says, "It's your day." Happy birthday, Dawn. Bunches of love, Noelle. So she left it blank so that I can use this card. And she put it on this. Thank you, Noelle. And look, she even blessed me with some stickers. See, I need to go to bed. Some Kai stamps. This says, "Hello, congratulations, happy birthday. Thank you, good friends. You rock, best friends. Hi, miss you. Celebrate you today. We'll always be friends. Thanks for you. I love you," in a heart. So it's 18 piece and a cupcake set and 2 flowers, a flower and a butterfly. Nice staple stamp set to have in your repertoire of stamps. And then this is a Fisker ones, which is pretty cool. Hadn't seen this one. Got a camera, the arrows. It says newsflash. Got an old timey telephone like that. One of those older type airplanes. Some stars, and then a Polaroid that says smile. Sorry about the glare. And then she gave me this as well. Her channel is Noelle Herzing, Herzig. And her Instagram is Noelle Herzig as well. Sorry for her information link below. Says, "Hi Dawn, happy birthday. I'm including a few goodies for you. And this orange cloth is a product I use to clean my stamps. And it can wash. It can be washed in the washing machine and used over and over." Oh, cool! I appreciate your channel. I watch all the time, but haven't been a commenter. Thanks for sharing your heart. Sharing your hauls. I'm sorry, I can't read. See you in YouTube land. Bunches of love, Noelle Herzing. Well, thank you. I will definitely try this out. Okay. That was very nice of you. Okay, this is a nice. Wow. Okay, cool. So that is good to have. I will definitely use that then. Because, you know, you always need something to clean your stamps with. So thank you very much. And I did notice on the front of her thing it says butterfly foam band, and it looks like she sent one in here too. It holds battery packs, accessories, mounts phones, and provides hands-free versatility. Compatible with phones up to 6 inches, including the case. Made with texture embedded food-grade silicone to give you a smooth grip and secure handling. So that's the butterfly foam band, and that's what that looks like as well. So this is my little company's product. I hope you enjoy it. It's the butterflyfoamband.com. So you can check that out. She sent me her card as well. So you can see that. And here is the actual grip. Well, I would definitely try that out. Well, thank you. That was really nice of you. I would definitely check that out. So you check out her company, you guys. She's got some YouTube channels to do ideas and demonstrations, and she's also on Facebook and Instagram. Boy, when it's late and you ain't ate, I make up words. Instagram. So anyway, that is that. So you can use this as a grip, and you can see the picture how they grip it onto different things too, like your bicycle, you know, the car, the headphones. So you can grip it onto a lot of different things in the silicone, so you can tell it will have a good grip. Well, thank you. I would definitely try that out, Noelle. And let's see what else we got over here. And of course, she got her things in time. She's got the card, and here's an ATC. This is so cool. I like this. Live in the moment, smile. That is so cute. Look at the camera. Yes, because I love photography. I don't get a chance to do it like I used to. When my sister was living here, oh, that was our thing, boy. I still love it when we get a chance to do it. And then on the back, she's got some washi tape with cameras on it. So I definitely love photography. So thank you for that camera. It just comes in handy. So, ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. So here's her Memorex card. It has the word create on it. She's got a tab, a center tab in the middle right here. And the back, she's got a couple backgrounds. She's got some glittered diagonal chevron, not chevron, but diagonal paper. Then she's got some marbleized paper over here. She's got a silver clock face right here with Roman numerals. And then she's got a tag that says the good life and a heart in the middle. Beautiful. And then on the back, she's got, it says, let faith be bigger than your fears. Amen to that one. So, I want to tell you, thank you so much, Noelle, for all the goodies. And you check out her channel. I will put her business channel link below as well. And I will be definitely checking out of this the butterfly phone band. Checking that out. And I will put her links below. Thank you for all the stamps and the goodies. And I got you down for everything, all your different points. Thank you so much for participating. And guess what, ladies? My video for the competition, Lord Jesus, see? The challenge giveaway, I'm sorry. See, I stay on the road too much and then come home and try to do videos and don't eat and you just run it. It's a mess. Her link will be in the list below, and so will mine. Thanks for liking, watching, subscribing to DaretoBeCreative. Bye-bye.